This is a little diesel generator which I've done up. It's a 3 kVA and it's a 240 and 110 that it produces. I've just reconditioned it, done it all up over the last few weeks. It's been sitting around doing nothing. It all works. I'm just showing you how well it starts and that it actually works. This item is going to be selling on eBay, so hopefully it will sell at a good price. It starts very easily. I've put all new fuel lines in, changed oils and redone wiring in the top box, new fittings and that put on there. It only produces around 210 volts rather than 240. I think it's because it's been sitting around for so long, but it's perfectly okay for drills, lights or pumps of any sort. That'll be fine on that. Like I say, it's a diesel one, so it'll run for forever, and there's no electrical parts, i.e. batteries or anything to go wrong. So it's crank handle start, which is very easy to do, and I'll demonstrate that now. There's another light in so you can see. As you can see, start very easily, works okay with lights. Like I say, pumps, drills will be fine, but electronic stuff we probably would like it because of the voltage difference. But other than that, runs fine and should be lovely. Have to rush a bit, it's now starting to rain. So, okay, thanks, hopefully you'll look on eBay and buy it. Right, bye bye.